What do you think about this activity?
I wish it is an honest review.
This is so fun. This is so happy.
I hope you tell the truth.
Good. Okay, give your honest review about this activity. This activity is fun and it makes us good. And good. Okay. How do you feel after you do this lesson? Good.
Find and cue games. Prepare the materials. Questions paper. Blue text. How do we play the game? First, students write the answers on their book. Next, divide them into some groups. Teacher has stick the question papers on the wall with glue text. Next step, ask students to write and match the questions with the answers that they've written before. Let them discuss and match the questions and the answers. If they've finished, collect their books. Teacher checks their works and give the score. Thanks for watching. Don't forget click like button and leave good comments. Share my video and subscribe my channel. See you in my next videos.
Yeah!